All right guys, so we got a couple things here. We have the GT Twist drying towel, we have the GT Shine buffing towel, and then we have the ceramic spray. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray your vehicle down with water all over, get all dirt, dust, mud, anything off of it. Then you're gonna take your GT drying towel, dry that off, and then you're gonna spray your ceramic spray, and then use this to buff it in and out. So let's do that. All right guys, here we go. GT drying towel. All right, wow, that's doing a pretty good job even with one hand. One hand and not even my dominant hand. So yeah, this dries really well. This towel works. All right guys, go GT drying towel. All right, wow, that's doing a pretty good job even with one hand. One hand and not even my dominant hand. Amazing guys, like seriously, this towel is a monster. Oh man, I wish we had more of these towels. I could really use a couple more. These are really nice guys. Wow, I am super impressed. I mean, I am super impressed with these towels. Oh my word, they dry so quick and so easy. Look at that, it even gave a mirror shine, and we didn't even put the ceramic on yet. Impressive, my friends. All right, for the ceramic spray, put it the top on, push this little button right here, and now we should be good to go. If it's a hot sunny day, don't apply this much at one time. Because it's cloudy, we are doing our whole side here. On a hot day, we would just spray it probably twice. If it's a hot sunny day, don't apply this much at one time. Because it's cloudy, we are doing our whole side here. On a hot day, we would just spray it probably twice before we buff it down. So here we go. We take one and we go over everything. So one rag we're gonna use to buff it a little bit. We're going to then take a second rag to go over it again. Okay, one wet rag was just to buff it on. Now we're gonna take a second rag to buff it in. Okay, now you can see that mirror effect. Now, how I do it might be different than how some other people do it, but look at that mirror. By the way, this is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This Jeep Wrangler has seen plenty of off-roading. This is original paint, black paint from 2013. And look at this. Look at that reflection. Like, take a look at that reflection, guys. That's incredible. And that's without buffing or anything. That's just, yeah, so I don't know what you guys think, but I say it works great. I just wish I had more rags, and I wish I had more of the solution. Not because they didn't give enough, not because you don't get enough, just because I love it so much. Overall, I like it. And look at the reflection from even far away. That's crazy. Look at that. Impressive.